is James.
And I'm Ashley.
Last year we sold our house and we're traveling across the country with our kids.
Hi, my name's Goose, and this is Maverick. Come join us.
So the Bolivar, the beach we're on is separated into two different sections. It's got the, the peninsula? I didn't realize it was a peninsula, I thought it was more of an island. Anyways, the place we're staying at has a free section and a paid section. You have to get a paid permit ahead of time or at one of the local stores. It's almost like a little sticker you have to put in your window. And I'm assuming the benefit of the paid section, because we actually drove down and we're in the paid section right now just because we wanted to see what it was like. I'm assuming it's because if you want to be in a less crowded area, because we've heard from locals that on busy days, like weekends, sunny days, that kind of thing, it is packed in here. You can't even find a spot. Right now, we're the only two people on the beach minus one other Class A. It's wide open.
No,
so
there was a bumper pull.
Was there? Oh, there was also a trailer. Okay, so there's 4 total trailers, 2 of which are our group. Anyways, so there was no point in us using or paying for the permit when the free section was just as good, because both sides have trash cans, both sides look like they have the same amount of debris, they're both about the same kind of beach, so I really don't see the benefit to paying for the permit and going on the permit side unless it's one of those crowded weekends.
So over there is apparently an island, Goat Island, but we're on the peninsula.
There's a Goat Island somewhere?
That's what it's called, Goat Island.
Really? Where? We're gonna have to find Goat Island, because now I'm intrigued.
So it's all like right here.
Really?
Yeah.
It's so foggy we can't see anything out here anyway.
Peninsula.
Anyways, now that we've covered that, today we are actually heading into the town of Galveston, so we're gonna go back across the ferry today, and we have some shopping to do. We're gonna meet back up with Loftis Party of 6, and do you know what else we're doing, Mom?
Celebrating Lane's birthday.
Oh yeah, happy birthday, Lane! Hoping that we were gonna get to go and explore this theme park over here called Pleasure Pier, which has like roller coasters and Ferris wheels and things out over the ocean on the pier. Kind of reminds me of the similar type of thing in California. Where is that? I can't remember. Crap, San Diego? No. Yeah, I think in that area. Anyways, I was really hoping we were gonna get to go out there and explore, but as you can tell, it's kind of wet and rainy. So instead, we're gonna get some food.
Ready?
Okay.
Yep, go ahead.
Crank it. Come on, harder. Come on. Harder, like you mean it. Alright, let me see.
Dolphin.
Oh, there it is. Very cool.
Okay.
Come on. Harder, go. Come on, Mav. Mom, are you doing the work? afraid of birds.
So you don't like the movie Birds?
Go. Right there. Go up there. How you doing, Mom? Hey, watch this. Watch. Ready?
Yeah.
You can throw it up and they'll catch it.
He got it. You see that?
So you can literally throw it up in the air and then they'll catch it in the air. Ready? Watch this. Ready? Go! Crazy? How much bird poop do you think lands on people?
Yeah, I
back
know.
here?
I bet a bunch. This is nuts.
This is such a weird thing because we don't really have ferries like this back where we come from in the Pacific Northwest. So this is like a total unique experience for us. And Ashley is not having fun at all.
This one's not thinking.
Are you nervous?
You hold it.
I think both of them are a little.
Matt, come on, let's go feed them. You want to help Daddy? Say 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah! High five! Oh no!
That's why.
It happened. The inevitable happened. I got crapped on.
Yeah, and like 30 after decided to do the same thing, and you told me to come back.
I missed it, you guys, but there was dolphins or something. Something with a dorsal fin was surfacing over there, and Ashley spotted it. I don't know if I got it on camera or not. That was crazy.
Did you see all of them?
I saw it there. I thought it was just one, but there was. It looked like dolphins, but I couldn't tell. I think you might see like a blurry something on camera, but that was awesome. Man, I wish they would have been out there earlier. It got a little bit muddy here, guys.
Their stroller is going to be trash.
They have their strollers in the back of their truck. Your strollers are gonna be a bit wet.
Yeah, probably super dirty too.
Let's keep being responsible.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Just because you get old doesn't mean you have to grow up.
You're gonna make me spill my coffee.
How was it, good stuff? You gotta set a good example for your kids. You guys, this is the first time in 3 days that we've been here that you can actually see the skyline. There's actually ships, and I can see a oil rig out there. I didn't even realize there was houses down there. That's how foggy and gray and nasty it's been. It may seem ugly and gray to you right now, but this is beautiful compared to what it's been lately. So I'm hopeful, fingers crossed, tomorrow will look more like this, because this I could actually do. We were contemplating leaving just because it's been so gray and wet and dark, and the bugs, the mosquitoes at night got really bad. But if it stays like this, where you can actually see a little bit of blue sky, you can see the ships in the distance, this is more what I was picturing when we thought about coming and camping on the beach. So if it stays like this, we might just have to camp a little bit longer. Chuckle Monk, what did you think of the off-roading? Was that fun? Did you have fun going in the car? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Where are we at? Are we at the beach?
Oh, Mama.
By the Wawa.
I didn't even think about that. This is her first time on the beach in 3 days.
She's been sleeping, or it's been raining, or you wouldn't let her.
Daddy's such a jerk, I wouldn't let her out. Well, the kids were out here, even though it was gray and nasty, you guys saw, the kids were out here running around playing all day yesterday. She went down for a nap when they went out, so once she got up, we're like, let's just keep her inside so she doesn't get all nasty, because it was pretty miserable yesterday. Even Goose was like, I'm freezing when she was done. So hopefully it looks more like this tomorrow. Cause look at this, that's blue. That's the first blue I've seen in days.
She wants to see their wolf. She doesn't want to go play in the water.
Oh really? I'm so bummed, you guys. After days and days of gray sky, I finally had to bust out the generator. I can't remember the last time I've had to use the generator. In fact, I don't think since we've upgraded to the Battleborn batteries, like upgraded the amount of Battleborn batteries we have, I don't think I've had to use the generator yet. So I'm kind of bummed about it. This darn gray sky is killing me. Their generator is such a beast, but it allows them to run everything in their trailer, the air conditioners and all that. I'll link up all the generators and everything that I use down below if you're curious what they have, but they said that they have loved that generator so far and it lasts them hours and hours on end. So if I didn't have solar, I might look into that. But I like our little 1800 watt generator. Super affordable, super cheap, and it gets the job done.
Like, we finally got past that. We're like, oh yeah, we get it.
Mav, what are you doing?
Machine.
Hey. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm
Are you playing?
I'm Chip.
Are you playing with makeup, girls?
This is my
We're
makeup.
trying to get it on Chasen.
No, I'm trying to get it on hold.
I don't think I've ever officially introduced you to who we've been traveling with. I've mentioned them by name and I've shown you their rig and whatnot, but this is the Loftis Party of Six. Lane and Michael, and they have 4 kids. And how many months have you been traveling now?
7?
7 months they've been on the road. So by the time this video's up, it'll be like 9 months that they've been on the road. But I want all of you guys to either in the comments down below to say happy birthday to Lane because it is her birthday today. So we just went out. Did you want to say hi? No. So we have been having a blast. Like I said, it's been super great and rainy, but the benefit of that is we've just been inside hanging out, talking, getting to know each other. Did you want to say hi too? So super fun YouTube family. If you guys want to check them out, I will link them up down below. But I think we're just gonna do another one of the same things, hanging out and talking while the gray, cloudy rain passes by outside. And Mommy got her special treat. We are packing up and getting ready to head out, and it's funny, we just received a message from Michael and Lane from Loftis Party of Six. We are parting ways today, and they're like, you guys, it feels so weird to be driving away from you right now. It feels like family, and honestly, like, I couldn't agree more. We connected so well with them over this past week. I'm so bummed that the weather cut our travel short together because I would have loved to spend a few more days with them, just getting to know each other. Because we like connect, anyone in the RV community, you connect immediately because of your lifestyle choice, the whole RV thing. But then we connected them beyond that because then we have the YouTube thing in common, we have faith in common, we have kids in common. I just feel like we bonded on a lot of levels.
Yeah, they were super awesome. And when James told me that this family got a hold of us and wanted to meet us and like travel with us, I'm like, oh, all right. Which is totally fine, but at the same time, I'm like, how about we meet them first? Let's make sure that we get along.
You're never really sure how well you're gonna vibe. Like I said, you always vibe on the RV lifestyle, but then beyond that, you never know.
You want to make sure that you get along. And so we met them for dinner, as you guys saw, and it was like, oh, cool. And then it just was awesome after that.
So I am super bummed to be leaving, but on a positive note, we're actually going to meet up and stay with another friend that we met years ago. And we're
still flying at Easter.
And we did see them around Easter last year. We painted the Easter eggs with them. So let's go and meet some more friends and have another adventure. Man, this lifestyle is crazy. Holy guacamole, it is freezing out there. So we have stopped at a gas station because we're at about a halfway point. Goose was getting hungry, had to go potty, and so we try and like lump all of our errands together in one. So we're gonna get some lunch, we're gonna go potty and fill up on gas, even though we were still probably above a half a tank. But while we're here, I figured this was a great opportunity to talk about gas stations, filling your tank while you're RVing. So I know that it's a little bit different depending on whether you have a diesel rig or a gasoline rig. I'm gonna assume a lot of you guys out there have diesels because those are more common amongst people pulling and towing a lot. So let's talk about ways to find gas. Obviously, when you're towing and driving down the freeway, you see all sorts of truck stops and gas stations right off the freeway, and that's great if you're in a pinch or in a hurry. But usually those gas stations that are convenient and right off the main road are gonna be more expensive. So if you are like me, you try and use apps or things to find the more affordable gas, especially if you got a big tank. Even a 10-cent difference can make a big difference. But if you do your research, you can usually save up to 40 cents or more. Like there was a gas station right up the road here that was $2.89, and I believe we're $2.65 here. So we're saving well over 10 cents. And so let's talk about apps. Google is amazing and it is great. And if you're already navigating to some place, you can add and search for gas stations on your route, and that's awesome. But for some reason, they don't have a diesel filter. They have gas stations and you can search by more affordable and location and distance and all that, but there's no diesel filter. Super frustrating. So I'm sure a lot of you out there who have done any sort of research have found the app called Gas Buddy, but this has been my go-to app for finding gas on the road. Here, I'll put a little screenshot of me using the app right here. So as you can see, you can sort by distance, you can look at it in a map view, you can look at it by list and sort by price and all that. And then once you find the gas station that you like, you can go ahead and navigate to that specific place, and you can open it up either in Google or in your Apple Maps, whatever you prefer. I prefer Google, but that's just me. Anyways, so that has been my go-to gas app. Comment down below, let me know, what do you use to find gas, or do you just pull off at the nearest gas station and cross your fingers and hoping that you're not paying an astronomical amount? Let me know. I've done both and all the above, but lately Gas Buddy has been my go-to. Not sponsored in any way, but I will try and link it up down below. Now I gotta get back outside and unhook. Man, it's cold today. We have made it to Louisiana, you guys, and as we said earlier, we are super excited to be meeting up with another YouTube family that we met years ago. Unfortunately, to find out who that is, you're gonna have to wait till the next video. But as usual, guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember, stay positive, get out there, life is an adventure.
So make some memories.